Hello students of class 9th. Let's start our English study today. In English, the poem The Snake Trying. It's composed by William Wrightson. In this poem, poet here expresses about the beauty of nature and a lot of insects, a lot of means flora and fauna, a lot of vegetations, means it's growing the charm of nature and it's growing the charm of our earth. But we human beings are so selfish. We have no means care about the natural things, and we should be live and let them live also. But due to our escape, due to fear, means we have no care and we killed a lot of snakes, a lot of wild animals for our goodness. In this poem, poet here expresses about a snake who was trying to escape himself. Okay, let's start the poem. The snake trying to escape the pursuing stick with sudden curving of the thin, long body. How beautiful and graceful are his shapes. You know, to whom God have made, having charm of beauty. And that snake was very beautiful, long body snake there. And that snake was suddenly came there near to water tap and want to escape himself because human beings due to their selfishness may be kill it. Even that snake was harmless, you know, means he glided through the water away from the stroke. Oh, let him go. Let him go, that snake. Means poet here expresses that don't hurt that snake because it is look is so beautiful and charm, attractive snake, and he want to leave it. Okay. Next, over the water into the reeds to hide, without hurt, small and green, he is harmless even to children. That snake what was means be appear there. Poet here expresses that that snake was harmless. Even children's को भी वो harm नहीं पहुंचा सकता. Means that snake having no poison. Okay, poisonless snake. लेकिन उसको देख करके लोग डर जाते हैं. The name is fear of snake. And due to that fear means a lot of persons being died due to heart attack. If that snake was not poisonous, but people be die due to fear. Okay, so poet here expresses in these lines that snake look is so beautiful, let him go, leave it, don't hurt it, without hurting, leave it, because that snake was harmless. It's not mean poisonous. इवन चिल्ड्रंस, ये बच्चों का भी कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ सकता है. इसमें जहर नहीं है, जहरीला नहीं है, तो इसको जाने दो. पोएट वांट टू लीव इट. ओके, बिकॉज दैट स्नेक वॉज ऑल्सो ट्राइंग टू एस्केप हिमसेल्फ. वो खुद से डर रहा है. ओके, सो along the sand he lay until observed and chased away, and now he vanishes in the ripples among the green slim reeds. Means that snake lay down on that sands because it's harmless snake. It's came here only for the activity, and that snake after laying down there, it's by the rippling means went away and vanished, disappear from that place, and means he went there for hiding himself because he have fear towards human beings. Human beings having no means cooperative nature, and particularly for the snakes because you human beings have feeling it must be harmful and it must be poisonous, but they don't know much more about the variety of snakes. A lot of snakes as having no poison, but people have fear means towards the snakes. Okay, इट्स वैनिसेस इन द रिपल्स, जबकि वो जा करके वहां पे गायब हो गया एमंग द ग्रीन स्लिम रीड्स, मीन्स द ग्रीनरी ग्रासेस हैविंग हॉलो रीड्स एंड इट्स डिसअपियर फ्रॉम देयर, मीन्स वह स्नेक जा करके उन घास के जो सरकीले जो वो थे उसमें जा करके गायब हो जाता है पतले सरकंदों में. ओके, मीन्स द sum up of this poem is that poet want to teach the peoples, means all the, means luckish things, all the dangerous things not be so harmful. It's may be harmless. We should think about it, and we should be, means merciful towards the nature and towards the, means animals and these type of, you know, snakes and all types of whatever, you know, worms, insects also. Okay.